a lot of people say to me, I want to look like J.Lo. Not everyone looks like J.Lo, so I'm kind of the middleman that's like, okay, you want to like J.Lo, this is kind of how we created the look, this is how we did it. Talking to J.Lo, I think we should get the first girl out.
That's the look we're going for?
Everyone was like, we love the hair, you know, how did you get it to stay so bouncy? Every time she flung her head back, it flung back into place. And I guess people are enjoying seeing bouncy hair back, so that's what we did today.
Our viewer is Eliza.
Let's see the recreation, yeah.
Okay, come on.
This is...
Oh, wow. Eliza, you are so cute. Can you do a flip? I want to see it bounce back.
Oh. The main sort of prep around this was the Color Wow Dream Coat. So I prepped it. It's an anti-humidity spray.
That Dream Coat thing we've talked about before. It's incredible.
Absolutely. I partner with Color Wow, so I work with them. I'm a big believer in their products. And basically, we prepped the hair in that to stop the humidity and keep the bounce and the curl in there. So as you can see in the B-roll, we blow-dried that into the hair. Then what we did was...
Just set it, right? The product has to be set onto the hair.
Heat activated. So effectively what this does is, you know, like the waterproof furniture outside, how it beads up? The water beads up. That's effectively what happens with this.
That's
the water
what
just
you're
rolls
doing
off.
with the product.
Yeah, you're sort of like drying that into the hair. Then what we use to create the curls is this. You know I love a gadget. This is the Dyson Airwrap. Guys, I'm always about kind of making it a little bit more real for you guys at home. The curling iron with the tongue, you know, with the little clip, most people can't use. Most women at home say, I can't handle that clip. I don't know what to do with it.
Most of us have scars on our face from trying to handle the clip.
So this one's burn-proof. So this is how basically I kind of found, this is not what I used to do for the Super Bowl, but this is my version of at home to make it a little bit more real for women. So I was playing around with this. The Airwrap effectively sucks the hair in, twists it around.
Did you see that?
So you can see.
It's like a vacuum cleaner for your head.
There's a round of applause. Okay, so taking that out, this is what you should get, these kind of bouncy curls.
Look,
you see how it dries the hair into a curl.
Right?
So effectively, big bouncy hair, but you know what? This has got quite a bit of talking points. Guys, I want to tell you one of the biggest trends right now in terms of colour, because I think we should talk about colour, is these money pieces at the front. Does anyone know what a money piece is?
The highlight?
Yeah, the highlight.
The highlight around your face.
So it's basically what frames the face. A lot of people can't do it because the bleach tends to break the hair. The hair at the front is the finest area, so it snaps off. So what I actually did underneath here is I actually clip these money pieces in. So I'm going to show you now. So this is the money piece here. So you should be able to see a difference between the two sides. One should be brighter, one should be darker. So basically putting these brighter pieces at the front, it's just a simple clip-in, inexpensive.
But then you won't, do you understand? You won't burn the hair off your head.
Absolutely.
And cause it to fall out.
And you can just clip them in, as easy as this. There she is, she has a money piece.
So
Rachel's money piece, I love that.
So this is delightful. Everybody's gonna wanna go home and do a new do because Chris brought Dream Coat for everybody.